Yo, good morning, everybody. Excited to have you here this morning. Here we go. Here we go. Let me get everyone else in here. We'll start rolling out. Awesome. Well, good morning. Who's all in? Who's all in with me this morning? Nobody. Awesome. Awesome. Good morning, John. What's up? All right, let me get this pulled up over here. Nothing like a great Wednesday morning. I don't know where you guys are living now, but the weather is starting to turn to such beautiful mornings. I love it. Oh, chilling at the beach. I remember you. I remember you posting that. That's freaking awesome, man. What beach are you at? I know a lot of them were messed up from the hurricane. Where are you at again? North Carolina. Fortunately missed. Nice. All right, let's see what we got in store today. Let's look at news first. News should be good. Yeah, should be good. Cool. That's a good spot. So yesterday was probably a good day, huh? Wasn't able to trade yesterday. No, yesterday was boring. Well, maybe. But should set us up pretty good for TLM, potentially to the upside. I add that. I don't love this supply here. You know, I guess I could fine tune it and go more like right there. You know, ideally we kind of close this gap, push lower, stop on that low, reverse back in. You know, the typical stop on reversal TLM acceptance trade that works like 90% of the time. That would be ideal here. So fill gap, stop hunt low, pull back inside, accept, rotate higher. So that'd definitely be on. I assume QQQ has a similar chart. Yep. Yep. We are like weirdly in a downtrend, but also in an uptrend. So just something to be mindful of here. Let me go back to a 30. So we'll start some supply up here, right? Just want to be mindful of that. Hopefully we fill that gap off rip. That'll change things a lot. Why doesn't this stay? Annoying. All right, let's see what else. I don't know if I love this. Love demand right here blocking us. Don't really love it. AMD, let's see that. I don't like how we open up all the way up there, but might be a weird day actually. This one maybe come down here and bounce off demand and come up here and target supply. Maybe I might have a window. Meta. Same thing here. Looking to bounce off demand down in this area. We got like a 15 down in here, but pop out as well. That could be either one, TLM or supply demand. Google. Like Google to the short side. But that is a red. You know, if that happens, kind of break this low. I don't even know if that's a pivot low. We don't really have a pivot low. What about, I don't know, 5 minute? Yeah, come up. You know, do something like this. Or in here, come up, reject it, break the 166.92 low, start to pull back, play a little move down. Tesla, IWM need to get above here. Yeah, I feel that gap. Whoa. Microsoft, let's go to 5. Let's go to 1. Not really any pivot high. I'm making a lower high here. Could be the kind of start of a downtrend on Microsoft. I'm going to stay away from that. I'm not going to look at that. NVIDIA, I don't like how I don't like that, but still, if we got above that, let me go ahead and add it. Just get above this gap fill. And then Apple would be the last one for the Mag 7. I don't really like this one. I hate when we open up here, close down here. That would be about it right there. So we got a big watch list, good things to watch. Anything you guys are looking at? Nice. Well, welcome to the squad, Mark. Last thing, just want to preface on this. If you're watching right now, you need to do this for me. What the heck is this? If you're watching right now, okay, what you need to do is this. See how this says live down here? Live. Okay, make sure that says live. If you're behind, it will be live without the red circle. So make sure it's red. And all you have to do is hit skip ahead to live broadcast. Okay. After that, okay, I want you to go down and like the video. Just like that. Fantastic. And there should be a subscribe button here. If you're not, hit subscribe. Boom. Okay. Then I want you to go to Twitter and I want you to hit the follow button. Okay, hit the follow button. Then I want you to go to join my free newsletter and join the newsletter. And then I want you to hit on-demand training. Okay. And I want you to access this free training now. Okay. This training will go over the 3-phase system that we use to help people that are busy just like you generate consistent profits in their trading. Okay. So go ahead and access that right there. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. That should be everything from there. Yeah, have Meta on mine right there, buddy. Got Meta on mine, Mr. Gabriel. Nice, just got a subscriber. Thank you. Let's look at Boeing. No, I would stay away. Look how trendy that is. Boom, boom. I would stay away personally. I would stay away. QCOM could work like it did last week. MU could work. Let's see what happens. Really want to see this gap fill. Would love to see some nice buying power, and then come back down. We'll see. Go to 1. Nice, Sean. I'll pull that up here in a second. Yeah, AMD looks promising. What I don't love is this high. But like that looks really good, right? That's like what you want to see. You want to see price into demand, explosive buying power out, candle turn green, could lead to a really good trade. I just don't like that high there. Target POC. It's hard. Same thing here for Meta. Kind of did what we wanted, right? Popped out. Ideally, we come up and we make an actual high. So let's see if we can actually do that. Need to make a high. IWN needs to take this high out up here. There we go. Google off rip. Literally the only thing green. That's funny. Okay. Google still needs to take out these lows. We got a while on Google, but shaping up. Meta looks promising, man. AMD looks really good too. I think AMD is going to go ahead and hit right now. Yeah, look at that. Stop under the previous day low. Well, of that low, not previous day. It didn't pop out though, did it? No, it didn't pop out. Yeah, it didn't pop out. So, no, it could be supply and demand trade. It's going to work though. It's going to be a hit. It's all good. Okay, gaps filled on Qs, not filled on SPY. So Qs might be the better trade if we end up popping out. Google's still up. IWM got to come up. QCOM is out. NVIDIA's probably out. Maybe. MU. Dang it. MU went the wrong way. Here we go on Meta. Let's see what can happen on Meta. Really, I want to see this supply taken out. This supply can get taken out. We pull back. I like it. Google still needs to come down. NVIDIA is going to be done. AMD and NVIDIA seem to be running. All right, so you need to see keys pop out. Frick, or pop up. Either one. Okay, Meta needs to come up. Google come down. IWM come up. NVIDIA. It's close enough, right? See if we can take that. 116.80. Got some nice, like a nice demand zone here too. Stop below this low. No, it could be below this low. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. 77. So looking at that on NVIDIA, 77-cent stop. Calls. Let's see. 77, 173, 116.20. All right. Order will mark at or below. All right, let's see if we can get filled here. 116.8 as a fill price. Trying to get filled down in here. See if we can get filled. One 116.8 is the fill price. Hopefully we can come down a little bit more. There, should be getting filled. All right, let's see what we can do here. Let's see if this is just a bust. It's just a bust, but Google's starting to dump. So it may just be a bust, but we'll see. Down quite a bit already. No buying power. I'm gonna stop down in here. If this low breaks, I'm gonna cut it. There's that pop out. With that low breaks, I'll cut. We'll see. Google dumped. Google still needs to come below this low. Anyone know why that freaking happened? But should be good. Hopefully, we'll see. Go ahead and put my OCO stop in. Target. Mark at or above. Target's going to be 118.30. And my stop is going to be price at or below 115.74. Let's see. See what can happen. Google crossed again. So for Google, I'd like to see that low actually get taken out. I'd like to see price get down to like 167 and pull back, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Yeah, this might be a duddo. A duddo. Just need to see those lows hold. Then we'll be good. Got to see it though. Really surprised we came all the way back up just to get shot back down. So it makes me think buyers are not in control. Google coming down. Let me see. About like right there. Like I'm finding that trend hard though. We have yet to take out a single low. I think NVIDIA should be hitting stop here soon. Oh, we still got a little bit, but I think it's done. I think it's dead. It's fine. Came up, took out the pivot high, pull back. Red flag was we never actually popped out there. That's on me. A little bit premature, but We live to see another day. MU setting up nicely. Take out that low 99.8 and pull back. Oh, NVIDIA's starting to pump now. That's the importance of stops, though. Like, if this low fails, the likelihood of this trade working is 0. But as long as this low holds, we have a shot, right? We have a shot. So NVIDIA wants to push higher. I'm telling you. I'm going to remove Google. I really wish this would have popped out. I'd be in it. A little premature, like I said on that, but cool. Okay. Well, let's see what we can do here. I know if price can get back into profit, we should be rolling. So. Anything you guys are looking at? Yeah, I don't know what that was. No, that hasn't happened yet. Yes, I don't know. Anything y'all got eyes on that I missed? Yeah, Google's gonna rotate down probably, but everything's red. Doesn't look like buyers want this to work. Let me see if I miss anything. Yeah, we got demand right here. It's not fresh though. This is our fresh demand on a 15. Spending a lot of time at it, so look at that 15-minute wick up, immediately shot down. That's crazy price action in 15 minutes. A lot of volume on this candle though. Probably from that move down. Let's look at a 5. Yeah, great buyers at open, dump. Still holding there, but the more time we spend here, the less likely that demand zone's strong. But then it got counterparts with TLM. The longer we accept inside, the better. So QQQ just broke the low. I think NVIDIA freaking dang close to hitting stop. It will hit it. It's going to hit it, though. It's going to be a loss. Yep, just filled. Just took L on that. All good. Minus 250. All good. Risk management. All good. Looks like shorts for the move. I don't know if we'll even get a pullback. Yeah, I don't know if we'll get a pullback or what. Yeah, that's like really the best play that I see, John, as well. Google pullback. MU as well. It's kind of already, yeah, I don't know, maybe not. That one's dead. But again, the likelihood of this reversing now is pretty slim. And I could be wrong, but the likelihood of it coming back up is that's pretty much telling me that sellers are in control. I really like my stop there. I really like my stop. I think my stop's in a great spot. Yeah, I need to break this demand. Like, look at that. Buyers said no, thank you. Buyer said, let me show you where we're going to buy it open and then just vanish. SPY was like the only thing that didn't have a green candle in the first couple candles. I should have set the tone for the day. John, John, am I too high for your balance theory though? Too high of a time frame? I guess, are you looking at it like this? $30-minute? Okay. So about like that, no? Yeah? Like that? Nothing, just waiting for an opportunity, honestly, Eskimo Black. Just waiting on an opportunity. That's all. That looks sick, John. It looks really good. Patterson Arts made it. Nice. Maybe it will push back up. I just don't see it happening. Spy starting to reverse. That means Q's probably coming up. Yeah. I guess everything wants to come back up. Huh? Dang, IWM's ripping. Jeez. Let's see if another opportunity presents itself for us. Yep. I'm looking for. Bro, why can't I? Price to get inside those lines. Right? And then I'm looking for changes in trend. I'm looking to get in there after a trend change occurs. All right, so we're in an uptrend and then downtrend. All right, that's what I'm looking for. It'd be crazy if that hits. Truly. Oh. Some really weird buying power, though. Does that make sense, though, Eskimo? IWM pushed again. Let's see. I'd like to see it a little higher, but you see, like right here, downtrend, break, pull back. Boom. Your break is here. The thing I don't love about that is we hit supply. It's the only thing I don't like about that. And the reason I'm not getting in here is because we've never made like a higher high yet. See? See how we've never made a higher high? Doesn't mean we won't, we just haven't yet. Video we did, right? We were boom, boom, downtrend, 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 higher high, and then it failed. I think this is a good setup. I just wish we would take out that high on the 5 minute there on the 1 minute. Like I wish we could take that high out, but I don't like that we just hit supply and we weren't able to go higher. That means there's like a wall of sellers there. You know, a wall of sellers. Yeah, I need some type of trend change though. On that lower time frame. Good, yeah. I had a 1K day here on the live stream. Other than that, just basically normal. Normal made about 6K. But my biggest day was the 1K day on live. Nothing else too special. Not my best month. Well, waiting game. Look at that mother fricker. I don't know though. I don't. Still need to take out the high and pull back. I mean, doesn't really look too likely. Yeah, it's not really a pivot high C, but it is high of day. It's more like 48, 90, but 480, 90. Boom, boom. Yeah. Look, you just want to take this, man. I've seen it work so many times, but I don't know. AMD finally went. Means Nvidia is probably gonna go. Love it for me. Means Spot probably gonna go. I'm going to put OCO in on IWM. I don't know if I'll get filled or not, but I'm going to put the OCO at 217.05 to get filled. Although, like, basically, I'll do tomorrow or 2 days out. So Friday. With a 84-cent stop. That would put us at about 5 contracts. We'll see if we get filled on that. Everything else starting to set up for potential longs. Really upset about this. Kind of just annoyed, really. Good setup, bad execution by me. I'm not in anything right now. I just set an OCO for IWM if we get it. I don't know if we'll get it, though. Bad execution here on my part. It's okay. It happens. I'm a freaking human. Yeah, I don't know if we probably won't get filled. It really just makes no reason for this low to get stopped on it, though. But it was more this low here, I think. These lows. But dang, look at that go, man. Bad execution because I entered here and I need to wait for price to come out and accept back inside. The price never came out and I entered. That's why bad execution. IWM pulling the OCO. It ended up working without the pullback. So like now on Qs, if you get a pullback, could be great. And about right there. I got about right there. Let's look at that. I'll put OCO on Qs and we'll call it a day. Stop is $2.13. Oh, let's do 479 point. 0.65. I'll do 0.75. There we go. There we go. Okay. So 479.75 is the entry point there on the OCO. Yeah. Let's see if we get filled. OCO set there. Let's see if we can get filled. Again, right. I'm putting it right above that 5-minute demand right here. Right there, that 5-minute demand. We'll see. That'll be the trade. The trade. That will be the trade. See if that works. This little 1.27 if we get filled, of course. That's bouncing off this 5-minute demand here. But, dude, this is like year 8, maybe. Yeah, since I turned 18. Year 7. When I turned, like, it was like before my 19th birthday, but bro, actually understand, like to this level, 3 years probably, but I think that could have been accelerated with the right education instead of trying to cut corners and follow alerts and learn from people that aren't actually teaching. They're just making money off of you on a subscription. Yeah. But yeah, it was about 3 years of wasting time until it finally clicked for me. But yeah, confidence came with the understanding. Yeah, once I understood, I was rolling. We'll see if we get filled. If we don't get filled, it's kind of whatever, but I really want to get filled because I'm pretty confident it's going to work. But I don't really want to. Yeah, it's a 1-to-1. Could have got filled there, I guess, but the reason I put it there was that there's a 1-minute demand I didn't account for, but I think we'll be okay. C trade ? What do you mean? What do you mean C trade? Dang, look at that. That would have been so close too. Annoying. Just annoying. Yeah, I don't know if we'll get the pullback. Still got like another 20 minutes to C trade Z. What? If I could start all over, what would I do differently? If I could start all over, I would go right away into some type of program that helps, with like coaching to help accelerate that. I would stay away. I mean, I think trial and error is good on your own, because you understand like, okay, do you actually want to do this? Or are you just chasing a shiny object, right? So that part of it isn't terrible. Trying to, go on YouTube and see if you can do it based off what they're doing and teaching. I would recommend don't strategy hop. That's my biggest thing. So there's not a perfect strategy. There's millions of strategies that work and are profitable, right? You have to find out, okay, does this work for me? Right? Does this strategy actually work for me and my style of trading? And is it also something that's profitable in all markets, right? There's a lot of strategies that are mostly just profitable in bull markets, right? That's all the time, only time they work. And if that is the strategy that you're trading with, you need to recognize that and avoid taking trades outside of those parameters, right? Other than that, yeah, that's about it. That's my biggest thing. I don't know if we'll get filled or not. So I'll explain why the TLM strategy in supply and demand works for me. The reason it works for me is because it has certain parameters to only trade in the first hour. Okay. So then I know as the day goes on, I am less likely to win. My edge starts to evaporate with TLM. So that tells me the longer I sit at my screen, the less money I'm going to make because my edge is depleting. So with that in mind, I know, hey, by 10:30 Eastern, my day is done regardless, right? Regardless, either I'm setting OCOs and rolling out, or I'm sorry, Patterson. Either I'm setting OCOs and rolling out, or I'm calling it a day. So, like for example, if we make a new high here on Qs, probably going to pull OCOs and go ahead and go about my day. If we can come back down to 479.75, my OCO is going to get filled. Then we're going to ride it to profit land. So we just got to see what happens. But every freaking other stock I was watching ended up working. Really frustrating on that. But yeah. No, go ahead and chase, man. Go ahead and get NVIDIA longs right now. Get NVIDIA longs right now. Or by the top here. Just kidding. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Awesome. Well, hey, I'm going to let this roll out. Again, you guys know, hey, if price comes to 479.75, Zach got filled. Outside of that, I'm going to go ahead and call it here. Again, I don't want to watch paint dry. We'll see what happens. And then targets 482.35, stop is 477.70. But again, I appreciate you guys hopping on. And I'll see you next week. Let's hope QQ gets filled and we can basically get back to break even. I'll see you guys. Peace.